Hello everyone! In today's video, I will guide you through the steps to securely link your InstaCard card to your Apple Wallet, ensuring a seamless and safe payment experience. So start by opening the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. If you don't have the app installed, you can download it from the App Store. So in the Apple Wallet app, tap the plus icon to add a new card. You will be prompted to choose between credit or debit card or store card. Select the appropriate option based on your Instacart card type. So use your iPhone's camera to scan your Instacart card. Ensure that the card details are captured accurately. Now after adding the card, Apple will verify the information you provided. This verification process may take a few moments, so ensure that your device is connected to the internet during this process. To enhance security, enable Face ID or Touch ID for your Apple Wallet. This ensures that only you can authorize payments using your Instacart card. So by following these steps, you have securely linked your Instacart card to your Apple Wallet. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.